the beginning of 2025, I set a goal of designing 52 3D print projects by the end of the year, and this is the final design. Hello, my name is Trevor, and I design engineering and 3D print projects. But a quick disclaimer, this video is a little bit different than my other videos. Starting now, displayed on the screen is going to be a countdown of all my 52 projects from 2025. While that plays, I'm going to be talking about highlights from this 52 project journey, what I would change if I did it again, and some big plans for 2026. If I had to describe the 52 project journey in one word, it would be learning. Learning to 3D model, learning to problem solve, learning to make videos, and definitely learning not to be a perfectionist. So let's go back to January, where I first set this goal of creating 52 projects by the end of the year, which in a year composed of 52 weeks implies one project a week. But consistency was not a trend of this challenge. Our first project took a week. Another took a month. We started posting on Instagram and ended posting on YouTube. Some project videos were long form and some were short form. It was all over the place and kind of a mess. If I did this challenge again, there are things I would definitely change to be more consistent, but going back in time, I wouldn't change anything. I'm glad I didn't restrict myself to one format and instead explored different styles of video and different lengths of projects. I've been wanting to do something like this for a long time, and jumping in the deep end and flailing around like an idiot worked for me, so if you have some big vision for 2026, go for it. But with that said, thank goodness this challenge is over. I want to take YouTube, CAD design, and 3D printing more seriously, and for that to happen, I really felt like I needed to step back, reflect, and create a game plan. So sorry for disappearing for a month. But I'm excited to announce that this year I'm launching a new series all about inspiring your next 3D print project and really showing unique ways to apply this incredible technology. These videos are going to be a lot like my 3D printed spring video, where I'll choose a theme to explore in the realm of 3D printing and work towards a final project. The first episode is coming out tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. I don't know how frequently I'll be posting each episode, but I do know engagement from you will definitely help make these videos happen faster. Simply watching, liking, sharing, and even downloading my 3D models helps tremendously. Also, if you want behind the scenes content and more frequent updates, follow me on Instagram, where I'll be posting those. Anyways, shameless plug out of the way. If you want to attempt a similar challenge or get your feet wet with 3D printing, definitely go for it and comment any questions you have below. You don't even need a 3D printer to get started. In fact, a majority of this year I was working out of a community makerspace, and if there isn't one available around you, there's tons of online 3D printing services. But when you do decide to invest in a 3D printer, I'd appreciate it if you used the affiliate links in the description to find my go-to 3D printing and engineering gear. And oh yeah, one final thing. The final project of the 52 project series is this box for creating silicone molds. I didn't release it yet because I'm using the molds for an upcoming project, so I wanted to wait until I released that video. It's still kind of a bit down the road, so I think you've waited long enough. I don't think the box alone gives it away, but go ahead, guess in the comments what you think the mold is for. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and being part of the 52 project journey. Until next time, good luck with your own projects.